lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again one more time with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Basically, I got some turkey left over and I decided to make a triple double turkey sandwich, which is, guys, that's gonna be beautiful, really nice. So basically what I wanna do, first thing I wanna do first is simple. Rub slightly, a little bit of butter on your, on your bread, just like this, not too much. Nice and lovely. Little bit of unsalted butter. I have some lovely turkey left over from, you know what I mean, Christmas was like an exciting thing, so, you know what I mean, I decided to make a nice lovely turkey sandwich. So basically, simple, all you're gonna do is basically put on some turkey like this. Got some nice lovely sliced turkey which I did slice off a little bit earlier. Nice one. Simple, put on a little bit of mayonnaise, little salad cream, sorry guys. This slice of bread. And right on top of this we got some coleslaw. Homemade fresh coleslaw, guys. You guys will love this. This is just some like homemade coleslaw. I got a lot of recipe on the YouTube channel about coleslaw and I can definitely put one of the link below. Just a slightly little bit more of this salad cream on top. Simple. Come out just like that. That's a chicken salad from off the turkey. Simple. Cut into half, just like this. And the most important thing, you can even bring this to work and share it with your friend and your co-worker at work, guys. Beautiful, really nice, simple, just like this. And all you need to do, put it together and you have a nice, lovely turkey sandwich, just like that, guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We've got a lot more recipe like this coming out. As you can see, it's just beautiful. Turkey, leftover turkey sandwich and coleslaw. That's really, really nice. So thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more. So if you got things leave over from Christmas, don't worry yourself. So you're gonna chuck it in the bin or you're gonna do something. You can make some nice little turkey sandwich, bring it to work and share it with your co-workers. See you next time, and this is from Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Hopefully we can come out with better and best for the future. See you next time. Bye bye.